Hi everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Kimberly and I'm with Beauty by Sewn. And if you like the vibe after watching a little bit, would love you to subscribe. Right now, as I'm filming this video, I'm going for 10,000 subscribers. So, the channel's vibe is to be authentic and educational and inspirational and fun and relaxed. I don't edit out my mistakes, and with 15 years of experience, there aren't a ton of mistakes, but there's some. And I figured that the mistakes you see on me, you may have the same. So really wanted this to be a chance to be authentic and learn. And I adore feedback and comments. I get back to every single one. So please feel free to comment away. Constructive, positive, would always love to hear, because you're out there, you're watching the YouTube videos, and I really depend on your feedback to know what do I do to keep it relevant but authentic. And what I wanted to show you today, talking about relevant, is Bobbi Brown Cosmetics has launched new Luxe matte lipsticks. They are gorgeous. Here is the beautiful packaging. They are retailing for $37 in the US, and there's 18 shades. So the actual technology behind these is that they are powders in oil. So they're oil infused powders. So the way that the pigment, and there's 10% pigment in these, which is actually very high for a lipstick. You get a ton of color payoff, but because the powders are oil infused, you don't get that dry, tight feeling. And as I get closer and closer to 50, I don't want to accentuate any of my fine lines around my lips. And, I'm constantly exfoliating my lips, using lip glosses, lip balms, reparative lip, because I really, want to make the most of my lips as they're there. And they do get smaller as I get older. So I was a bit tentative on using these and, seeing how they feel and how they wear. And I'll tell you, I get a full day's wear and it doesn't feel tight throughout the day. It doesn't settle into my fine lines. And I still get that wearable feel. So I thought what we would do today is I would pull some of my favorites and show to you how they look, because I find when I go on websites and I look at the color swatches, I can't always tell, how's that gonna look on me? And I thought, you know what, if you're watching and you can either use me as a base point and you're a richer skin tone than I am, or fairer, brunette, darker features, fairer features, at least I might give you a reference point to see what some of the shades look like. So this is one of my favorites. It is called, and I actually already have it out, it's called Semi-Naked. So let's see, when I apply it, you can see how creamy it feels. And the Semi-Naked really is a great color. As soon as I want that pale nude lip, I love, in our Luxe lip color line, there's a color called Pale Mauve, which is a little pinkier. This is a little beigeier, so you can see this is a great nude, pale nude, especially if you're wearing a more dramatic eye look, or you're just not wanting to feel your lips, you just need a hint of definition. So I'm going to show you each color. We'll try and get through a few colors without taking up too much of your time and do it quickly. I am using wipes to take off their lip, and I'm not going to, prime my lips or do any lip balm, etc. I think we'll just keep going. So that was Semi-Naked. This is a great color. This is called True Pink. So there's True Pink, and you can see it's much richer. And again, you can see I get that great glide. It's so smooth to put on. You really have to try it to believe it. And you can see the pigment load. It really feels lightweight. It feels like matte but creamy, and then it's gonna dry and it'll stay all day. Look how pretty. So this is True Pink, and so you can see it's a bit of a richer pink. It's not bubblegummy at all. It really is that beautiful classic pink color that again, would look great with smoky eye, a little bit of eye makeup. And, if you're having those dull days, this would be a great go-to color. I would wear, on an everyday occasion to work or out and about. I think you just heard my Canadian accent. So that was True Pink. Now, this is a great color. This is called On Fire. Look how beautiful. This is a much more orangey red. And you can see the color payoff that comes out. Look at that, gorgeous. Beautiful, on fire. This is definitely a bright red with an orangey or more yellow red. And I really think actually, because of the way that this color looks, anybody could wear it. Wow. You can see how with 1-2 coats, I get that instant color. And look how white my teeth look. Ooh, love. So that is called On Fire. So this is a power red. You know, if you're going into a meeting, you need a power red for a big travel work event, or, you know, you just got to go in there and talk to the kindergarten teacher and, you know, really connect. I always think I put on a bright lip because people then watch my mouth and they might hear more of what I'm saying versus a gloss. Who knows? So that is On Fire. My son starts kindergarten this week. Boy, boy. So look at that. Look at the stain effect as well. So you can see just by even having it on for a few minutes, it really pigments a lip. So that 10% pigment I was talking to you about, it is there, and I'm scrubbing to really get it off. Wow. Okay, so I can see I'm getting a little bit of that red liner, and this is a great tip too. If, you know, once you've done your makeup or you're taking off a red lip and you're switching to a nude lip, take a little bit of your foundation stick or a cream foundation and just tap around the outer edges or around the edge of your lip. Don't go right over your lip, but just around your lip, and it just helps to diffuse the color. Okay, so I've showed you a pale, I've showed you a true pink, I've showed you a really great red, and let me show you, actually this is a really pretty peachy tone. Look how pretty. So if you're somebody who loves peaches and corals, this might be a really pretty option if you're going more fair in the winter. You know, you're not gonna have as much color because it has a little bit of pink. Look how pretty, watch. Look how pretty. Oh, this screams vacation. Oh, beautiful. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. So I would wear this lip with any bronze dye. You know, I've got more of a hazy brown, smoky eye on. It looks great. I could wear this just with, you know, a tint of eyeliner, and definitely taking this on my next beach vacation. Oh, gorgeous. So that color is called, that's right, Cheeky Peach. And again, really helps to bring out my white in my teeth, even help bring out a little bit of color in my cheeks. So you can see, that is so great. So pretty. So that's Cheeky Peach. So I've showed you a pale, a pink, the red, a peach. And what I wanted to show you is also like a deeper shade. And let me see. Oh, there's so many beautiful colors, everybody. There's a tawny pink. Oh, let me show you this. This is a pretty sort of deep bright, and this is called Vibrant Violet. Look how pretty. Okay. Look at that. This really helps bring out the color of your eyes if you have blue eyes or green eyes. Look at that. You see how my blue just popped? So I would pair this with, you know, all the lipsticks I've worn, I would pair with a pink blush, except for that cheeky, well, the Cheeky Peach, I might go pink, but I most likely would probably go more of a coral color. So all of these lips, if it's a nude, a true pink, even red lip, and this sort of vibrant violet, I would pair with a pink lipstick with a pink blush, except for that Cheeky Peach, I would choose more of a peachy tone blush. So I wanted to show you some of my favorites from this Luxe Matte Lip Color launch, that all the shades are, all 18 are going to be full-time on display at Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. And I hope this sort of tantalized your taste buds of wanting to go and either try one yourself at a Sephora or at a Bobbi Brown counter, or if you know what shade, just go for it, have fun with it. And they feel so lightweight. It's not settling into my fine lines. I feel like I almost have nothing on my lips. So with all this beautiful color, the wearability, 12 hours, it is such a beautiful new product. I wanted to show you some of my favorite shades and hope you found this YouTube video helpful. Huge hugs. Thanks for watching. Kiss, kiss, kiss.